Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest. In that little place of Belfair, Washington, Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. So this is June 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative Video number 27. I think I'm going to make it to 30. I don't think there'll be a 31. I think I'm going to barely make it to 30, everybody. So let's finish this up, right? So this kit is called Full of Charm. This is June 2025's kit. You could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one, and we would have had 9 envelopes that were all the same. This QR code, as always, would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it was designed. A visual of everything in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, I just kind of mosey along. And now, after the zoo trip, guys, I don't mind moseying along. I am perfectly content, okay? I am okay. I am perfectly fine with taking my time to mosey along. So this one down here would lead you to this set of 4 dies called Hugs of Bloom dies. They will coordinate with April, May, and June's Paper Pumpkin Kit. The new set of dies are out and available. They're called Circle of Season dies. These will coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin Kit. September's kit coordinates with a suite. I've looked for it online the other day. I did not see it available yet. So if anybody knows any information, it's called Autumn something. Please let me know. This set of dies is a 9 dies, excuse me. You could make an acorn, a strawberry, a flower, a leaf, the circle, and of course the hello. Over here are the stamps. So we have the branch, this branch with the leafy ones. I did cut this stem part of the branch, or the longer part of the branch, off because it just needed to be, in my opinion. It was more suitable for me. I cut the thank you apart. You have the single leaf, the miss you, which you could cut that apart as well and reorientate the you to be after the miss over here. Let's celebrate you. Happy birthday to a wonderful friend. With that being said, I'm going to set this aside to the right because I have stuff piled up here on the left already. It's just one of those things. This card is going to be quick and simple. So we have, you can see we're already using one of those Circle of Celebration dies, right? Am I getting that wrong already? Circle of Season dies. Of course I am. So we have a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have 2 more card bases left in my box. I need to get hot on either making card bases, because I have plenty of envelopes, or get into my box of card bases and envelopes. I think I have some more in there. 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, coordinating white envelope. Layer number 1 is 4 1/4 by 5.5, half of the card base from this kit. We have 1 full piece of ephemera, and then a partial piece of ephemera, just identical to it. We're going to add this to this piece, and I have that hello in gold from the Circle of Season dies right there. We are going to be bringing in the wee little butterflies from the Inked Occasion April 2025's Paper Pumpkin set, and we're also going to be using the Thinking of You for the inside. Yes, I do. I really, really, really do love the Thinking of You. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to stamp our envelope first, and we're just going to do that in some Old Olive and use the leafy branch 1. Making sure I got the right side. And the back piece here might help if I open it up this way. Well, I guess we're just going to have to, I have ink somewhere on me or something. So we're going to do more leafy stamping like this. we'll just make it work with us. And I'm looking for my coaster. I was not setting it down because I couldn't find it. So another one, but I found the original one that I've been using. All right, let's work with it, what we've done. We're just going to do some extra stamping is all. There it is. Let's solve that problem. And it's on my block. It's everywhere. We are going to have one leafy flap of an envelope, I'm telling you. But now it's fixed. It's solved. All right, we can work with it. I can work with it. Now we're going to stamp the inside of our card base. We're going to get rid of that old olive here for a minute. Bring in our Thinking of You stamp. We're going to use Berry Burst. Oh, that's for just the butterflies. We need the old olive again. Because we're going to stamp, we don't want green butterflies. I'm all thumbs today, apparently. I am definitely all thumbs. Thinking of You. Make sure you get the, I want to say 2 T's because it looks like 2 T's, but it's the T and the H. There we go. Switch that out. We want to do some wee little butterflies. All right. Check. Done. Next, we're going to bring in our ephemera. And this should fit perfectly on our card base, and it does. Now, I am going to glue this, most of it anyways. I'm going to have to tuck some glue in places, but this is going to do for now. Get this scooted over all the way to the edge. This piece, oh, I think it went, where was I putting it? Right here. Because this is where I want my butterflies. So I am going to add glue to here. Turn it a bit so you get more of it. And then I can add some glue to the back pieces there. And right in there. And it's all done. Now I'm going to add some butterflies. Just the one. I'm not using let me see, where's my hello? My hello's going here. I wanted 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 butterflies. I am good to go. Oh, the envelope. We should put a butterfly. Why? Because we can. We're going to stamp off again, and just put a light little butterfly there. We don't have to do full strength. The struggle. Sometimes the struggle can be real. All right. Envelope, check. Card base, make sure it's opening the right way before we glue the card base down. The layer number 1 to the card base, I mean. And there you have it. Really quick and easy. It looks like I need a little glue there. So we will do that before we put that down. And our hello, we need those wonderful tweezers from the lovely Tammy here. I never would have realized tweezers, the reverse tweezers, there was a difference, but oh, there is. And the ones from the sporting goods store in the fishing aisle are not so good for crafting. Might be good for tying flies, but not so good for paper crafting. But I tried. Oh, I tried, right? So we're going to go ahead and put the hello, I think, right here. And that noise, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't know they were going to be doing whatever they're doing there. Sorry, I can't help that. I can't make them not do that. Of course, they don't know what I'm doing either. That needs to come down a little bit here. They don't know that I'm making a video while they were making screeching noises a couple houses away. Ah, so lovely. Lovely lilac, right? All right, Wink Estella needs to be applied because there's not a whole lot going on this card. So we're going to make it sparkle and shine. And no, it's not Christmas time yet. But oh, we're ready. I am ready for the holidays. I have to get through the fall first, right? Have to get through the fall. Sparkly, sparkly goodness. So, there we have it. Quick, simple, a hello, right? Thinking of you, as always. And I do think of you each and every time I come out to the stamp room because it's so much fun. It just is. I love this. And I don't know how sometimes to explain to you guys how much fun I have out here with you. And believe me, you are with me here all the time. I just love it. So thank you. Thank you for giving that to me. I really do appreciate it. And I hope to see you all here again here soon in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.